Hi, so I'm at work right now, but my boss came in and gave me this really cool thing. So can you guess what it is? It's bubble wrap. I'm having way too much fun in my office right now. So I'm making a video while the boss is gone and no one's here bothering me. I'm going to show you how much fun I'm having at work. With bubble wrap, so good. Hello.
Yeah. Can I get some stuff?
Yeah, no problem. So someone actually came in 2 seconds ago and just asked me for some supplies for the dark room. So that was a bit embarrassing as I yelled out bubble wrap. Woo! So, but here I'm going to continue on. Look, there's someone in the background. I really know what I'm doing. It's okay, he's always here at this time, so we're gonna have fun.
It's not the end, but it feels like it is. I'm waking up, like I'm back from the dead, shutting down, and I feel so afraid, but as long as I'm moving, it's alright. I feel alive, and it hurts for a change. Looking back, it's hard to believe that I was cool with the days and the ways that complacent and tasteless and bored. That was yesterday. We're never going back to okay. We're never going back to easy. We're never going back to the way it
Thank you.
was. We're never going back to okay.
Okay, glad that's that done and over with. I just kind of had all the awkward people on the side watch me and be like, okay, you are a weird monitor, but who cares? So, that was good one, Nazark. That was, really good stuff. So yeah, bubble wrap. Awesome. Sorry. Bye.